Hey there, aspiring data scientists! Ready to master data science in 10 easy steps? Let's dive right in. Step 1. Learn the basics of Python. Python is the go-to language for data science. It's versatile, powerful, and has a massive community. Start with the basics, variables, loops, and functions. Trust me, you'll be using these all the time. Step 2. Get comfortable with pandas. No, not the animal. Pandas is a Python library that makes data manipulation a breeze. Learn how to filter, group, and merge datasets. It'll save you hours. Step 3. Dive into statistics. You don't need to be a maths wizard, but understanding mean, median, standard deviation, and probability is crucial. These concepts are the backbone of data analysis. Step 4. Learn data visualization. Tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn are your best friends here. They help you present your data in a visually appealing and easy-to-understand way. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Step 5. Understand machine learning basics. Start with supervised learning, linear regression, logistic regression, and decision trees. These are the building blocks for more complex models. Step 6. Work on real projects. Theory is great, but nothing beats hands-on experience. Kaggle is an excellent platform for this. Participate in competitions, explore data sets, and learn from the community. Step 7. Learn SQL. SQL is essential for querying databases. Mastering SQL will allow you to extract and manipulate data efficiently. It's a must-have skill in your data science toolkit. Step 8. Explore big data tools. Familiarize yourself with tools like Hadoop and Spark. They help in processing large datasets quickly and efficiently. As a data scientist, you'll often work with big data. Step 9. Keep up with latest trends. Data science is an ever-evolving field. Follow blogs, read research papers, and stay updated with the latest tools and techniques. Continuous learning is key. Step 10. Build a portfolio. Showcase your projects on GitHub. Write about your work on Medium or LinkedIn. A strong portfolio not only demonstrates your skills but also sets you apart from the competition. And there you have it. 10 steps to mastering data science. Start today and keep pushing forward. Remember, consistency is key. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Happy data crunching.